ngayon ikan sila ay 9 years old. Ito, Lubot Pangandaran. Welcome to Pangandaran. In Pangandaran, there are Pangandaran Beach, Batu Karas Beach, Batu Hiu Beach, Madasari Beach, Material Conservation, and Titinyang River. Pangandaran Beach is beautiful. Activities in English are swimming, surfing, diving, making sandcastle, and eating seafood. Special food is pindang gomen. Special drink is honey juice. Enjoy your trip in Pangandaran. Thank you.